Word artistic. The pronunciation is very easy. 3 syllables, and the emphasis on second syllable. R. T's. Tick. Artistic. The meaning of the word artistic is having a natural talent or inclination towards creative expression or the arts. It implies being skilled or proficient in creating or appreciating works of art, such as painting, music, dance, writing and sculpture. For example, she has an artistic talent for painting beautiful landscapes. His writing is so artistic that it brings the characters to life. Hey, type your own sentence using the word in comment box.